Krishna, my name is Jayanti Devi. I'm actually from London. So I was really grateful for Madhav Kirti Prabhu for facilitating this course online and using this technology to help us all in this times actually. And also fortunate to be able to use this time to learn about naturopathy, because I always been fascinated and wondered what it's all about. So Prabhu has actually explained it very nicely and in a simple way as well. And it has also told us how important our food is and how nature can help us to keep healthy.
It was very good. Gave very good explanation of how to live in a natural way and to cure the body naturally without medicines. I'd like to thank Prabhu for investing so much time and effort and helping everybody to understand the body better. I think that's a really amazing effort that you did.